Radharaman temple is truly divine, but I visited him at a really long time that actually changed the complete trip and experience for me. So I know भगवान के पास जाने का कोई specific time नहीं होता. You don't go there and you check the time and visit there. But because of the trouble and the chaos that I had to face, I don't want you all to suffer the same way. And hence I'm sharing this video with you all. And also let me clear one thing. This video is solely for the purpose of sharing my experience that I went through, and this is not targeting the temple in any way. This is just what I faced there, and because of the timing and the festival that was going during that time, I think. So please don't feel targeted in any way. एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वीडियो बिकॉज क्या होता है कि वृंदावन में काफ़ी लोग अपने ठाकुर जी को लेकर जाते हैं, बच्चों को लेकर जाते हैं, सीनियर सिटीजन के साथ जाते हैं. सो इट बिकम्स रियली डिफिकल्ट जहाँ पर क्राउड ज़्यादा होता है, या फिर अगर आप थोड़े भी रॉन्ग टाइमिंग पे विजिट करो. एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट वृंदावन बट एनी पिलग्रिम सेंटर, एनीवेयर यू गो, this is the problem that everyone faces, and hence I wanted to share it with you guys. So what happened was I went to Vrindavan in Navratri, and it was very less crowded, like there was no crowd at all. So I was just living the days with peace, and I was so at ease and comfort कि अभी तो सारे दर्शन अच्छे से हो रहे हैं. So obviously I had that thing in my mind, and I thought आगे भी वैसे ही होंगे. But on Dasera 2025, I went at Radharaman temple around 7 p.m. and I thought it's very easy to go because उसके पहले पूरे दिन में जो भी दर्शन हुए थे, that was very easy and I was so relaxed. But I went to this temple at 7 p.m. with senior citizens, and oh my god, the experience there was really very difficult. So I didn't realize how much crowd will actually come on that day because of the festival, but it really happened. So the lanes were extremely crowded. The temple is very small and sacred, but so many people were trying to push each other and go inside at the same time. And what happens sometimes is that people are also scared that they will miss the darshan, and it happens with everyone, especially the people who are traveling from far. So for them it's like a lifetime opportunity to seek the darshan. I also started feeling very anxious, and it was not because of the temple, but it was because of the people who were trying to push and go ahead at the same time. They were not even waiting for others to go ahead. So again, I'm trying to clear this thing that Radharaman ji is very divine. The temple is also very beautiful, but the problem was only the timing plus the crowd on that day. And one more thing, the temple authorities were very calm and supportive in this situation. So they were guiding people and they were also controlling the lines. But what happened was that many devotees were not listening to the temple authorities, and hence it became very difficult. So eventually everyone was pushing, trying to go ahead, and also they were scared that they will miss the darshan. Also, for the people, I know you are excited, you are emotional, but please remember that the people working then are also doing things for you, and that will only benefit you if you listen to them. So please be very cooperative with the temple authorities. The temple is for you, God is for you, and they will not deny you any darshan. तो प्लीज़ आप मेक श्योर करो कि आप अच्छे से जा रहे हो, फैमिली को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, वहाँ के टेम्पल अथॉरिटीज़ को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, बिकॉज इफ़ यू विल नॉट डू इट, आपको ही प्रॉब्लम होगी एट द एंड. And if you support them, your darshan will be faster, safer, and more peaceful. So if you want calm darshans in Vrindavan temples or any other pilgrimage centers, then please avoid evenings on Dasera, Ekadashi, or any other public holiday especially. That is what I want to tell you. Also, I'm sharing this not to criticize you or to stop you from your faith or devotion, but I'm just telling you that please be careful of these things. आपको दर्शन दूसरे दिन भी मिल जाएंगे, बट आई नो कुछ कुछ दिनों के इम्पोर्टेंस ही ऐसे होते हैं कि जाना पड़ जाता है. बट प्लीज़ अगर आप वहाँ पर पास में रहते हैं तो प्लीज़ कोई दूसरे दिन चले जाओ. प्लीज़ लेट अदर्स ऑल्सो टेक दर्शन जो काफ़ी दूर से आ रहे हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग विच दे वॉन्ट टू बी देयर फॉर, राइट? So please be supportive, be calm, be peaceful, and trust the temple authorities. because they are there for you only. So if you like honest stories that protect people and places, then do subscribe to this channel. This is the space where I share my experience, I go, so that you don't have to suffer. So do let me know if you want any other details of the Vrindavan trip. I've already shared one video where I've shared the complete itinerary of my travel in Bhandirvan, Barsana, Gokul, Vrindavan, Mathura and Govardhan. If you need any more details, do let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.